morning to everyone student. Here we are going to see question number 6 from exercise 8.2 chapter number 8 comparing quantity. Okay, now as in the previous video we had already completed exercise 8.1 and exercise 8.2 question number 1 to 5. So here in this video we are going towards the question number 6 from exercise 8.2 chapter number 8 comparing quantity from NCERT book of class 7. So dear student, look at what the question number 6 says. Convert given percent to decimal fraction and also to fraction in simplest form. Here what we have to do, we have to convert the percent to decimal fraction. That means in the previous question what we are doing, we are converting the numbers into the form of a percent. But here already the percent is given, we have to convert that percent into the decimal fractions. Okay. And after converting it into a decimal fraction, we have to convert that numbers, decimal fraction number into the simplest form. So what is the simplest form? Simplest form that numerator and denominator को तब तक काटते जाना है जब तक वो दोनों एक odd numbers पे आकर के ना रुके. That means after that particular number, that numerator and denominator won't get cancelled. That kind of a number is said to be a simplest form. Okay. Now looking towards the question number 6. Here it says that 25% is given, isn't it? 25% we have to convert into a decimal fraction. So 25% that means 1 upon 100. So 25% is equal to 25 upon 100. We can write like this. Now 25 upon 100 is equal to, when it will be get divided, the number becomes 0.25. So this number 0.25 is a decimal fraction. Okay, after division we had got the number that is 0.25 and that 0.25 is a decimal fraction. इसमें बोला गया है कि आपको जो परसेंट है उसको डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. देन हाउ यू विल गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट द परसेंट इनटू डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन? बाय डिवाइडिंग इट बाय 100, इज इट? सो वी हैड डिवाइडेड 25 with 100 to get the decimal fraction, that is 0.25. Now after getting the decimal fraction, we have to convert the decimal fraction into the simplest form. Decimal fraction जो मिला है उसको हम उसको simplest form में convert करना है. In order to convert it into the simplest form, what we are going to do? We are going to divide that 25 upon 100 is the number. So dividing 25 upon 100. As we know that in table of 5 it comes 5 times and table of 5 it comes 20. Now table of 5 1 time and this will be 1 upon 4. 20 gets in the table of 5 how many times? 4 times. So what will be the simplest form of 25 upon 100? That is 1 upon 4. Have you understood? Now can you see that from 1 upon 4 is the number. Is the 1 upon 4 will again get cancelled? No, it won't get again cancelled, isn't it? One is because one is even, another one is odd. That's why it won't get cancelled. Hence, this one is the simplest form. Clear, everyone? Moving towards the B part of question number 6, what it says that 150%. That 150% we have to convert it into the form of a decimal fraction, and after converting the decimal fraction, we have to make it a simplest form. Okay, so converting the percent into a decimal form, we have to divide 150 by 100. So 0 from the numerator, denominator will get cancelled. What the number left out? The number left out is 15 upon 10. When we are going to divide this 15 upon 10, we will get the required answer as 1.5. Okay. Now simplest form of this number is when here 10 and 15 get in the table of 2, how many times? 3 by 2. So what is the simplest form of 150 upon 100 is, that is 3 upon 2 is the simplest form. Clear, everyone? Moving towards the C part of the question, what is the number we are having? What is the percent we are having? That is 20%. In order to convert that 20% into the decimal fraction, we are going to divide it by 100. So 20 will be divided by 100. We will get the required answer as 0.2. While dividing, 0 will get cancelled. 2 ones are here. 0 upon 20 upon 100 is 0 get cancelled. What the number left out? It is 2 upon 100. Here 2 ones are and 2 5s are. So here 1 by 5 is left out, isn't it? So when 1 by 5 is the simplest form, and when 220 will be divided by, when 2 will be divided by 10, you will get the required answer as 0.2. So have you understood this part? Similarly, you have to do the fifth percent, 5% that divide by 100. You will get the required answer as 0.05, and the simplest form of that number is 1 upon 20. Now one question arises here. सी वी कैन डायरेक्टली डिवाइड दिस नंबर, वी कैन गेट द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म. अगर हम यहीं पर उसका नंबर को डिवाइड करके सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म निकाल देंगे तो इस नंबर का डेसिमल मिलेगा. जैसे 1/4 को जैसे 25/100 है ना, 150/100 है, 20/100 है. अगर उस नंबर को वहीं पर डिवाइड करते हैं, जैसे 2/10 को अगर डिवाइड ना करें तो वो 0.2 आएगा. बट उस नंबर को अगर डिवाइड करोगे फिर से 2/10 को डिवाइड करो तो 1.5 आएगा. अब 1.5 को आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा ना. तो 1.5 को जब हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ 0, तो ये हो गया डेसिमल यहीं पर आया, 2 आ गया, तो आंसर हमको 0.2 मिलेगा. फिर से यही आंसर मिला. इसी कारण हमने क्या किया, उस नंबर को डायरेक्ट वहीं से डिवाइड किया और उसका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म निकाला. क्लियर एवरीवन? नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड्स द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Question number 7. In a city, 30% are females, 40% are male, and the remaining are children. What the percent of children? In a city, that means 30% are females, 40% are males. Then what is the remaining percent of the children? That means 30 और 40 के बाद जितने परसेंट बचे हैं वो children होंगे. So we have to find the percent of the children. So let the percent of the children be 100. As we know that the percent is being considered in the form of 100 itself, isn't it? So let the percent of children be 100%. As we know that the percent of females is 30% given in the question, percent of male is given as 40%. Now according to the question we know that 100% is the children. We are considering that. जैसे हम कंसिडर करते हैं ना, लेट द परसेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन बी x, ठीक उसी तरह परसेंटेज में 100% कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. So we had considered the percent of children as 100%. So 100% will be divided, will be subtracted with 30 plus 40%. Why it is so? Because 30% is the female and 40% is the male. So while adding male and female, that will be 30 plus 40 will be how much? It will be equals to 70%. Now this 70% will be subtracted with 100% as we had considered the 100%. So that will be get as 30%. Thus we can say that the percent of children in the city is 30%. Now 30% plus 30% 60, 60 plus 40 is 100%. That means our consideration is correct. Okay. And if you don't want to consider the 100%, you can directly consider x. Clear? Now moving towards the 8th question. What the 8th question says, out of 15,000 voters in a constituency, 60% voted. Find the percentage of voters who did not vote. Can you now find how many actually did not vote? That means here first we have to find out to what? First we have to find out the number of the percent we have to find out, that how many percent of the people did not given the vote. After that we have to find the number of the people. मतलब पहले तो आपको परसेंट फाइंड करना है कि कितने परसेंट पीपल जो है वो वोटिंग नहीं किए हैं, और परसेंट फाइंड करने के बाद आपको उसी को नंबर में कन्वर्ट करना है. क्लियर? सो हियर लेट्स सी हाउ टू. So question number 8, solution. So let the percent of people did not vote is equal to 100%. Okay. Then percent of people votes, कितने लोग वोट दिए? 60% वोट दिए हैं ना. Percent of people did not vote is equals to 100% minus 60%. So 100% minus 60%, it will be equals to 40%. Here hence we can say that 40% of the people did not vote. Okay. Now in place of 100%, why we consider 100%? Because altogether how many percent will be there who people are going to be vote? Means when we are going to add the number of people, the percent of the people who are voting and who are not voting, okay, that will be equals to 100%, because whole together the percent is being considered as 100. So let the percent of the people who did not voted, that we will consider that x, that will be considered as 100%. We can consider as unknown variable as x also. 100% की जगह हम x लेकर के भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। सिंस 100% वी विल गेट द आंसर इजलियर, सिंस इट इज अ नंबर दैट्स व्हाई वी आर कंसिडरिंग 100% over here. So percent of the people who did not vote is 100% minus 60%. So the number of people who did not votes given the votes is 40% of the people did not given the vote. Now here we have to find the number of people, isn't it? Therefore number of people who did not vote is equals to 40% of 15,000. 40% of 15,000, that means here 15,000 is the total voters in that city. Okay, total strength उस सिटी का कितना है, 50,000 है, उसमें से 60% वोट्स उन्हें दिया है, 40% लोग जो है वोट्स नहीं दिए हैं. Now finding the 40%, 40 upon 100 of that means into 15,000. So 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 40 into 150. So here 1 and 2 zeros will be there. Now 4 5s is 20, 4 5 6. So here we can say that 6,000 people are there who did not vote in the election. Now moving towards the 9th question. Here it is said that Meeta saves rupees 400 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? Now here Meeta is the person who is going to save 10% of his salary. His means her salary. So the 10% of his salary will be 400. So total वो कितना कमाती है month में? If she is going to save 10% of her salary, that means how much she is going to earn in a month. 10%, that means 10% of 400 we are going to find out, isn't it? So here we are going to find out the solution for this question. Now look out. Question number 9. Let Meeta, what is it? Let Meeta's salary be x. Okay, here we are going to consider Meeta's salary. Let it be x. So we had considered Meeta's salary as x. Now she saves how much money? She is going to save from the question. She saves rupees 400 from her salary. She saves how much rupees? 400 from her salary. Okay. Now, according to question, 10% of x is equals to rupees 400. Okay. So 10 upon 100 into x is equals to rupees 400. Now rupees x, 10x is equals to rupees 400. This 100 will be get cross over there and it becomes 100. 400 into 100. X is equals to rupees 400 into 100 upon 10. Here 0, 0 will get cancelled. So x is equals to rupees 400 into 10. So x is equals to rupees 400 into 10 is how much? 4,000. So here Meeta's salary, that means her salary in the month is 4,000 rupees. Clear everyone? So what is the Meeta's salary will be? Meeta's salary will be 4,000 rupees. Yes student, video might be some darkness is there due to current is not here, that's why. Okay. Now moving towards the question number 10. What the question number 10 says that our local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Now here we are going to find the number of matches and number of matches they win. So 25% of the matches is won by that team and 20 matches is to be held over there. Means 20 मैच हुआ था, उस 20 मैच में से 25% मैच उन्होंने जीता था. तो कितना परसेंट हुआ? 25 का परसेंट 20 मैचेस में, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. Okay, so let the matches be win be x we will consider. Okay, question number 10 solution. number of matches when dx total matches is given as 20. So according to question 20, according to question 25% of 20 is equals to x. Okay, so 25 upon 100 into 20 is equals to x will be there. Here 0 will get cancelled from the numerator and denominator. Now 25 upon 10 into 2 is left. 1s are again 5s are. So 5 1 and 5s are. So here 5 is number of matches is won by that particular student. Okay, so 5 matches is won by the student. Now again I am going to explain you question number 7. Sorry, question number 9. So as the light was not there, so darkness is there. Now light came. So I am going to explain you again question number 9. Meeta saves ₹400 from salary. Meeta कितना रुपया बचाती है? Meeta is going to save 400 from her salary. So what will be the Meeta's salary? If the 10% of her salary she is going to save, है ना? So how much salary she is going to earn in a month? So let Meeta's salary in a month be X. Okay. So and how much salary she is going to save in a form of money? That is ₹400. And 10% of her salary is going to be saved. So 10% of total salary is X. So 10% of X is equals to ₹400. 10 upon 100 into X is equals to ₹400. Now here we are going to cross multiply. This 100 will move from the denominator to the numerator and get multiplied with 4. So 400 into 100 will be there, and this 10 comes in the denominator. So here 0 0 1 0 from the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. The remaining one is 400 into 10. So 400 will be multiplied with 10. So 4000 is the rupees. So what is her salary? Meeta's salary will be, that is 4000 rupees. Clear everyone? Moving towards the question number 10. Here in the question number 10 it is said that total number of matches is 20. 20 total matches है, and out of that 20 matches 25% of the matches is going to be win. Means 25% of that matches is win. Then we have to find out how many matches they win. 25% is given, and that percent we have to find out in the form of numbers, isn't it? So finding the total 25% of 20 is equals to x. 25 upon 100 into 20 is equals to x. So 25. Here this one of the numerator and denominator zeros will be get cancelled. What is the number left? 25 upon 10 into 2. So 2 1s are 2 again, and 2 5s is 10. So again 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. So how many total number of matches is won by that team is 5 matches. So dear student, here our exercise 8.2 is completed. Hope you people understood the exercise 8.2. Next we are going to do the next exercise, that is 8.3. So for today, thank you everyone.